If you use Procreate app or just got an iPad and started using it for digital art and drawing doodle style character portrait illustrations excites you even with no prior experience, then I have a great news, a very special announcement. Discover the true potential of your iPad. Does any of this sounds familiar? You always wanted to draw face illustrations but find it difficult without tracing pictures. You are able to create following tutorials, but when it comes to creating something original on your own independently from imagination, you feel helpless. Or you wanted to develop your own art style, one that's fun? Then let me tell you, I've been there too. And I decided to share my knowledge and 6 years of experience with you all so that you can also get the experience of this fulfilling feeling of creation. Imagine being able to draw doodle style original character portrait illustrations from imagination on your own in Procreate in your own art style without being dependent on tutorials or the need to trace with hand-drawn vibe yet professional comic style rendering in just 20 days. Too good to be true? Not anymore. I can't believe I'm finally launching the 20-day masterclass by the digital doodler Riam. This is not just any other course. This program is designed to get you results. Instead of wasting time on what needs to be done, focus all your energy in actually doing it and leave the what on us. This program is like a GPS, making sure that the journey to your dream destination is guided and fun-filled with structural, practical steps. Projects at end of modules, you get to practice as well as start building your portfolio during the program itself. The program is designed keeping in mind people from non-arts background also, so no technicalities, and people with busy schedule because this certified program has the best of both worlds. Benefits of studying in a batch while learning at your own pace any time of the day with recorded modules, keeping in mind your busy schedule. Get access to a community of like-minded people from across the world. This is obviously a certified program, and those who are also interested in learning how to create doodle style portrait of people and not just character illustrations, you are lucky because the first few people to enroll will also get a bonus masterclass of creating comic style people portrait, and this is a limited time offer. Dedicated the last 2 years of my life putting this together and making this whole experience wholesome with the ease of access on your mobile apps and your personalized dashboard. Learning to construct the face sketch in different profiles, stylizing facial features, expression and hair, exercise to develop a fun art style true to you, exercise to come up with original concept ideas, drawing from imagination, line art techniques, picking up colors, about adding shading, shadows and highlights to absolutely any illustration, more techniques of drawing from imagination, drawing from briefs, and getting started with doodling. I'll be sharing my own process and more is waiting inside the program. The seats are limited. Secure your spot from the link in description for the next available batch if we have seats available by the time you're watching this video. I wish you happy learning. Keep creating.